How about the cow?
Moo.
The frog?
Arat. Arat.
The horse?
Nay.
The pig?
Ay. Ay.
The dinosaur? The snake? The monkey? Oh, how about the chicken?
Tutudako.
The bird?
Tutik.
The monkey?
Waha.
The froggy?
Arat. Arat.
Wow, very good. What's the son of the Carabao?